OKO Eco Business. Currently, South Korea is the world's 9th largest carbon emitter. Also, for this 5 years, domestic carbon emissions trading increased 30-fold, as well as the price increased 169%. Due to strengthening of environmental regulations, it is expected that the companies will be more burdened, along with the damage caused by the late action can be responsible to both companies and country. The changes that OKO Eco Business will make in line with this situation suggest not only in improving efficiency, but to bring new alternatives to lessen the huge amount of carbon emissions from the logistics process. In every process of logistics, OKO's Ultra Prime increases load capacity, which decrease number of shipments and reduce carbon emissions and costs. The 5-leveled steel pallet used in the existing auto components manufacturing plant was not used for reasons of excessive waste bending when carrying from the 2 lower stages of steel pallet. These unused levels have resulted reduction of load capacity, which caused the entire logistic process to lessen its efficiency. OKO Ultra Prime provides highly efficient logistics system by focusing on the said facts. Through automatic adjusting skill, when the production line loads components primarily, insert the steel pallet into the Ultra Prime fork to raise the height of the pallet, then adjust it by lowering it through load setting. Conversely, when used for unloading, the steel pallet will automatically be raised by inserting it into a fork for load setting, then unload the components from the top to the bottom. This increases load capacity, work efficiency, and reduces use of pallet to a half of its usage, as it maximizes the space of steel pallet which have not been used, as it gives damage to musculoskeletal. In addition, the wheels can be installed, and the use of OKO custom pallet with stationary storage attached will reduce number of pallet by 1/3, and the number of shipments will be reduced by 1/10. In particular, the OKO custom pallet can be connected to a tractor to move large quantities of items in various ways. By using electric transport cars and tractors, process of arranging parts can be easily incorporated into assembly line and effortlessly transport and decreases number of shipments. OKO Eco Business's product is stackable up to 3rd level, while the other original steel pallet is stackable only up to 2nd level. Throughout the components transportation process, from empty pallet storage, production lines, material storage, logistics hub, to vehicle assembly plant. It also reduces number of products to be used, area for storage, and number of its transportation by 1/3, which makes components stackable twice the original per product. The significantly reduced number of shipments has a 67% reduction effect compared to existing carbon emissions through logistics, and also resulting a 70% cost reduction due optimization of storage space, working environment, and logistics. It is the generation of calling for a revolution. OKO Eco Business.